from this little tiny old cage to this beautiful new cage for them. It's got these great features over here. The water bottle can be removed with one motion. And this is their food. I can open it right up and put some in. It's made out of an old table. Just stapled some mesh on it, and the sides and back are made of plywood. It's got 2 floors for them to play on with some boards I drilled holes in for grip. There's a chew stick in there. There's this wire wheel that's attached right to the wall. There's a nail on the side that I can push in to stop the wheel from turning if it gets annoying. This is the lid. Comes off just like that. And inside there's a little obstacle course. And you can put treats on these nails. There's some over here. This is their little house that they were busy rebuilding a minute ago because I looked under there to check if there was babies. The ramp to it can come off. And they love it, and I feel much better because they were pretty cramped in that other cage. So if you like this, you can support me on Patreon, and I'll build more stuff like it.